Jood bura okalo chik mar medo osuru e nengo mauta gi atamalo 8, manyiso ni koro mauta osuru mare biro bedo atamalo 16. Jood bura maromo 184 nogoyo ombulu mar yie kod lokruokno. Jood bura go pod dhi nyime kod goyo ombulu ne fuoni mamoko mag paro mar chik mar omenda. Wadhi ane achiel kachiel nyaka e od bura mondo owinjre ni ang'o matimore seche mwueni.
And Honorable Chair, this is just a correction of a grammatical error on the bill.
But I propose the question that clause 68 is part of the bill. I put the question that clause 68 be amended as proposed. Will as many of that opinion say aye? Will as many of the opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 68 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many of that opinion say aye? Will as one of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 69.
I propose that the question that clause 69 part of the bill. Mover.
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that clause 69 be amended as per the order paper. Honorable Chair, this particular amendment was referencing the railway development levy at 2%, which indeed is was referencing the railway development levy as being 2.5%, whereas in the Act it is 2%. So it's more of a cleanup for an error in the reference of the railway development levy.
I propose the question that clause 69 be amended as proposed. I put the question that clause 69 be amended as proposed. Will as many of that opinion say aye? Will as many of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 69 as amended be part of the bill. Will as many of that opinion say aye? Will as many of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 70.
I propose that the question that clause 70 be part of the bill. Mover.
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that clause 70 be amended as per the order paper. And essentially this has two particular amendments. One is to clarify the tariff number.
Order members, allow the mover to move.
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that clause 70 be. I beg that clause 70 be amended as per the order paper. Again, this has two elements. One is a cleanup on the tariff numbers, and the rest, and the other one is to harmonize the export development levy not to be subject to inflation adjustment as at October 2022.
Thank you. I propose the question that clause 70 be amended as proposed by the Chairman of Finance Committee. Honorable Bombadi.
Mr. Chair, I want the Chair of the committee to guide me on this, because completely what the suggestion you are making here is to delete the expression of USD 0.5 and substitute with USD 0.55 per kilogram. But looking at the tariffs that we are given, if you go to page 368 of the bill, that, for example, I just want to pick on one. Tariff number 4102.21.0. Kindly, Honorable Didmas Barasa, can you allow the chair to listen to me, because I want him to clarify this point. So, Mr. Chairman, I'm looking at that particular tariff, 4102.21.00, and on page 361, and you will find that it is at USD 0.52 per kilogram. So why are you bringing 0.55 per kilogram? I'm not seeing where you are getting all this 0.55. All along in the tariffs, I can see 0.52. So could you explain exactly what you are trying to do? That's the bit that I don't understand.
Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. This particular amendment was later proposed by the National Treasury, because the proposal was by the National Treasury following the fluctuations in the exchange rate. So the rate at which the Kenya shilling was exchanging at the dollar, but the publishing of the bill by the time we were completing the report was different, and that necessitated that change from 0.52 to 0.55.
Very well. Honorable Nikal, last 1 minute.
Chair, well, we are not tax experts, but what this looks to me on the face of it is actually something is being increased from 0.52 to 0.55. For laymen like me, can it just be explained what is it that is being increased? Because if you come from 0.52 to 0.55, you have increased something.
He has just explained it. No, we cannot go back and forth with Honorable Mbadi. Okay, 30 seconds.
Actually, the difficulty that Honorable Nyekal is going through is simple. Honorable Nyekal is making it better because it's moving from 0.55 to 0.32. So where we had a difference was 0.55 compared to 0.52. But it is falling to 0.32, which is better.
That's great. I now put the question that clause 70 be amended as proposed by the chairperson of the committee. Will the member of the opinion say aye? Will the member of the opinion say nay? The ayes have it. I now put the question that clause 70 as amended be part of the bill. Will the member of that opinion say aye? Will as many as the opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Clause 71.
I propose the question that clause 71 is part of the bill. Mover.
Honorable Chair, I beg to move that clause 71 be amended as per the order paper. And Honorable Chair, this particular amendment is exempting from IDF bioethanol vapor stoves, and it's also exempting from a radio development levy those bioethanol vapor stoves. Because again, the Honorable Majority and myself really spoke onto this particular issue. We found a great way of making sure that we reduce the cost of living of Kenyans by making use of the technology of bioethanol, and that we are able to see is that it's able to reduce the cost of preparing a meal for 4 to 10 shillings per meal. That is the cost of preparing that meal. And those stoves only cost 1,520. And if we do this particular incentive, then the cost of fuel and the cost of cooking in our homes will actually go way down than even it is now. With that, I beg to move, Honorable Chair.
I propose the question that clause 71 be amended as proposed.
Jod Bura Koro Sani